PPSPower have been trading for over 60 years as a backup power provider throughout the UK. We are now one of the largest and most respected providers of this service, with a dedicated generator department as well as a UPS department. PPSPower work in critical environments. Because of this, it is essential that customer service comes first. The coordination teams, the engineers and even the sales teams when delivering the quotations. Every member of the team understands the critical nature and environment we work within. We hold stocks at our head office based in Yorkshire, but we're along depots across the UK as well, close to our engineers. We use original equipment manufacturers' parts and stocks wherever appropriate. PPSPower have a dedicated UPS department as well. We're a Riello distributor, although we do work on a variety of different makes and models as well. All of our engineers are trained to a very high level. We've got an excellent track record of bringing apprentices through, and we've got people that have been within the industry for over 20 years. The engineers range with different skill sets: electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, strategically based throughout the whole of the UK to make sure we have the right skill sets in the right locations. PPSPower benefit from being part of a wider group of power solution companies. PPSPower is a service and maintenance company, and we also have our sister company YorPower that distribute generators worldwide. Glenace is a controls and automation company. It's also located at our head office in Yorkshire, and we have Generator Warehouse who sell generators off the shelf through their e-commerce website. To find out more about PPSPower and our wider group, please visit our website.